Alright, next up, I've gone through the black and whites, and I am going to go ahead and I'm going to kind of make my out my print files rather. So here in these black and whites, I know I have to make my print files from the colors. So I'm going to go down to the color edits right here. And you need to do a minimum of 2. So I'm going to go ahead and pick the 2 I'm going to do. First I'm going to go with a smile, and I've decided to go with this one right here. And I'm going to go Control, click, and that's going to give me this edit in. Takes me to Photoshop ability here. Photoshop's going to boot up, so it might take a second, but you'll notice Photoshop is booting up, and then the image goes into Photoshop. And you might see this profile mismatch depending on how your computer's set up. On the school computers, you'll see it. And in this particular situation right here, so the embedded is Pro Photo because that's the default for Lightroom. And then the working is Adobe RGB. I would recommend converting. And that's because the industry standard is really Adobe RGB. So if you go to if your client or you go to any kind of print shop, they're going to probably be working in Adobe RGB, and you'll make it more predictable color-wise for that printing to occur. This pops in here. I'm going to go ahead and make this a little bit easier to see on the screen so you can kind of see everything that's here in this part. So that gets us in the edit into Photoshop function, and in the next movie we'll go ahead and bring up the print template and talk about it.